swear to God, Bonnie, you're gonna get.
Yeah!
Your golf cart. Yes, sir. Cool. Can you grab my cuffs? Take a seat.
You stupid bitch, Bonnie. Season's greetings, everyone. Squink here, former cop, future heart attack victim, here to break down another video using my law enforcement experience and to answer the question that literally everyone seems to want to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Using my law enforcement experience, I'm going to answer that question in today's video. Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Midwest Safety, entitled Karen, gotta love those, fights police at beach resort. These entitled Karens never seem to learn. They just live up to their nickname that society has given them based on their behavior. But I'm here for it. I've never seen this. Here we go.
When a female is assaulted by her own friend at a Florida resort, the responding officer gets way
Her
more
own
than
friend,
he bargained
of course.
for.
She walked over her coming from that way and just cocks me upside the head. With
No
the
kidding.
Literally cocks me, and that was all. And she took off. I don't know where she
You
went
should probably
or
pick better
whatever,
friends.
but I don't feel safe around her.
Give me a second. So what'd you see?
I picked up this young lady right here. The one right.
I saw these two crazy bitches, these two Karens fighting each other, being crazy, and I just thought, you know what, I gotta get out of here in this golf court, so I drove off. I wanted no part of it. Sir, I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all.
You all talking to her, and all of a sudden the other young lady, I don't know if it's her partner, or roommate, or whatever, she came running up, give me a ride, and then she started berating this girl.
The blonde girl's berating the other girl?
No,
Or-
the dark-haired girl. This lady was a complete angel.
Literally an angel on
Oh,
earth.
yeah.
Where were they when you got hit?
She was sitting right there. Dark-haired girl was making such a scene, and I said, okay, I'll take you back, and you can go to the pool and get your stuff. And I was dropping her off. She walked down that walkway trying to get the pool, and she says, I don't know where the I'm going. And
Interesting.
the girl just threw the cup, hit her.
I love that his name is just RC. That's it. Nothing else. Just RC, period. It's all he requires. Just 2 letters.
Her in the face. The cup top went over there, and some of the drink hit my leg.
Okay, thanks. All right. So what do you want to do about it? What'd you say?
I want her off. I want to press charges because that's very disrespectful, and I don't put up with that.
Out of nowhere,
Ma'am, you're not the property owner. Like, you can't just, 86 her from an entire resort that you're visiting. What are you talking about?
What in the hell are you talking about?
I can cite her for the assault because I didn't see it. She's not gonna go to jail unless she hits me. But I can't just 86 her based on your request from a resort that you don't own. The entitlement from both of these women, I feel, is gonna be exceptional throughout the entire video.
the dark-haired suspect returns to the scene and hops in the back of the golf cart.
What's her name? Josie?
Interesting.
Hey, Josie. I'm Officer Kai from the Beach Police Department. You got your ID on you by chance?
I'm a little intoxicated, so
You don't know where it's at?
it's at back home. My friend is trying to set me up.
She's trying to set you up.
Yes. That's
So
what
is
it's all
RC
about.
as well?
Spell your first name.
P-
Your first name's
yeah.
last name?
My first name's Josie, J-O-S-I.
Right, but what about your last
What's a
name?
good address for you?
I don't know.
You don't know where you live.
I do, but I'm still intoxicated right now.
Well, let's step over here so
More
he can
than
get back
slightly,
to work.
I would
But
say.
You're gonna have to get off the cart.
I can't carry all this being intoxicated.
Well, you can put it on the ground. There we go. You're good to go. All right. So I'm fixing to read you.
See you
what's
later,
going on.
RC.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned.
Just
Look at me.
the stare down.
Listen to me. Do you understand what I just read to you? Are you sure you understand all of it?
I want an attorney.
Okay.
Great.
Cool. Go ahead and turn around for me.
Why are you arresting me? Why? Because I want
Turn
an
around.
attorney? No.
I'm a little confused why he's arresting her, because this was not a misdemeanor committed in his presence. Therefore, a simple assault like this, you can't arrest for. So I'm a little confused what he's doing here. I'll be curious to see how this goes on.
Touch me.
This is gonna be a lot worse for you.
I don't give a shit. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
There we go. Now we can.
No.
I wonder if he knew it was coming.
Now we're done.
Stop! I'm hot. This is hurting me.
Just don't fight.
That is probably very hot pavement, I will say.
I'm burning the fuck up. Lift me the fuck up. I'm hot.
Get on the ground.
No! I'm burning the fuck up, you bastard.
Let me put your coat. Put your arm behind your back now.
No! Swear to God, Bonnie, you're gonna get.
Yeah!
Your golf cart. Yes, sir. Cool. Can you grab my cuffs? Take a seat.
You stupid bitch, Bonnie.
Damn fucking a bastard.
Oh, spitting.
Wipe ammo for bat, LEO, and simple bat.
That's what it's gonna be. Bonnie, you're a fucking bitch. I'm your fucking best friend. What the fuck is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me?
Best part is, they're probably gonna come back from this vacation together and do it all over again just somewhere else a year from now. That's what happens when two Karens become best friends.
They're perfect for each other.
They're perfect for one another, honestly. They deserve each other.
There's nothing wrong at all. You guys are fucking mean and bastards and
I mean,
whatever.
you spit and hit,
Nice.
so...
Go ahead and
So
add
bad
threats to
with
law
your
enforcement.
stupid arm.
Let's slow ride it over to my car.
No, I have more shit from her and I want my shit from her.
Her sunglasses?
Bonnie, you're dead.
Whoa.
Damn bitch. Goddamn dead, you stupid ugly cunt. Oh, Mr. Cop, please get my glasses.
Yes, sir.
Get my fucking glasses.
You need to sit down.
No, fuck you.
Sit down.
Don't fucking touch me. Put you in, I swear to God,
Keep going. Yeah.
you're gonna get it.
Cool.
Mary Nation's gonna fucking murder you.
You gotta back up.
What?
No, I don't need it.
The Aryan Nation?
Cool. This is gonna be a lot more fun now.
Damn bitch. You're a little bitch. I've never been arrested. I've never been in trouble my whole goddamn life. You set me the fuck
Well, there's a first time for everything, girl.
You didn't do anything. You're pissing me the fuck off. You ain't gonna do shit. You're a goddamn piece of shit.
Wow.
All right, we're done. Come on.
No. Oh, stop. What are you gonna do?
What did you expect?
Huh?
Larry, step on out. You get searched and change up those handcuffs.
I can't get out. Oh,
You can step out.
I am trying to.
This guy's had
and my wrists
enough.
are hurting.
This is the law enforcement daddy right here. Also, happy Father's Day.
Daddy? Daddy! Daddy!
Yeah.
So bad.
This has nothing to do with you scooting
My
forward.
fucking wrist
Don't
hurts.
cuss me because I'm not cussing you.
I'm trying to be polite.
Listen, all you have to do is scoot.
No, it's not fair. She set me up. They were our bills to begin with.
Come on.
I can't
Come on.
just scoot out. What do you want to do?
Scoot out.
I can't.
Why?
Because I'm too fat, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, what?
There you go. My officer's gonna search you real quick.
He's got cocaine. Go to
Interesting.
her house. There
I
will
bet
be
you didn't
cocaine
take any of
there.
that either.
I'm gonna fuck you in. And she's the one that started this. It's not even me, it's her. She's like, okay.
Never can take accountability.
She's the.
Okay, I'm gonna close the door now.
Did she also
All right,
spit on the
guys.
officer?
No problem.
Are you gonna
As the
blame that on
arresting
her?
officer writes his report in his vehicle, the other officer finds an interesting item while
Oh, I
searching
can't
Josie's
wait.
belongings.
I'm gonna guess vibrator. Vibrator. Oh,
Yeah, that's what I took off of her waistband.
damn.
I'm in Aryan Nation. I'm getting you, Bonnie. After I get out, you're dead. What's your name, officer? What's your name?
Oh my god.
Stupid asshole.
Alright, well she was fun, huh? I would say that that is an entitled Karen if we've ever seen one. You know, you can almost guess what they're gonna do every single time. They always live up to the title of Karen. Every single time. The only part I was a little confused on, simple assault, you can't arrest for that unless he saw it. The only thing that would be a little different that would allow him to arrest is if it were a domestic assault. That is one of the exceptions to one of those misdemeanors you can arrest for. You can arrest for a domestic assault, but because they were not involved in a romantic relationship, they're strictly friends. I don't know why he was going to arrest her for assault when he didn't see the assault. But obviously, she kind of changed some things when she hit him. That is now a misdemeanor committed in his presence, so he can now arrest for that. My advice to anyone who has a friend like that, is it really worth it? Like, is it really worth having a friend who's gonna sick the Aryan nation on you? What is the allure of having a friend like that? This is just another example of how alcohol in excess causes significant damage. It makes people go literally insane. I understand you want to go on vacation, have a fun time, but know your limits. Are you really having fun when you can barely even talk? I think the officer did a pretty good job. Like I said, I just a little confused why he was about to arrest her for a misdemeanor not committed in his presence. I give him a B-. That chick was crazy. Hopefully Bonnie's doing okay. I wonder if the two of them are still friends.
Let's hope not.
I do these videos just about every single day, so if you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Happy Father's Day. Join the Discord. The link is down below in the description, and I hope you all have a great day. You guys really deserve it. I appreciate you all being here, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye!